Hey guys, what's going on? In the following video, I wanted to talk to you about Predictor Aviator app, which is quite useful. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I've tested it. It actually works well. So basically, what is Predictor Aviator? It's a tool designed for predicting multipliers in the Aviator betting game. So basically, it helps players secure their earnings. I actually found a way and learned how to actually get this Predictor Aviator app on my smartphone, both on iOS and Android. So yeah, guys, without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have Aviator Predictor on my home screen. So in order to get Aviator Predictor, first we need to go to settings. This is for iOS. If you're on Android, you don't have to do this. So go to your settings, then go to App Store, scroll down, and make sure that the offload unused apps is turned off. This is important. After you do this, go to Safari, scroll all the way down, go to Advanced, and make sure that the JavaScript is turned on. Okay, guys, this is key. So now that we've prepared our smartphone, what we need to do is open up your browser and type in tweakmate.com. Okay, guys, so tweakmate.com. And now once you're here, use the search bar and type in Aviator, and it should appear right here, Aviator Predictor. Press on it, and now press this over here, and now it will start installing this app on your iOS or Android device. So yeah guys, it's quite simple. I've been using it for, as I was saying, a couple of weeks now, no revokes, and it actually helped me tremendously. So yeah, I can highly recommend you guys to actually check out Tweakmate. Props to them for actually giving an Predictor Aviator a working app. Okay, and now press allow, close, go back to your settings, then go to general, go to VPN and device management. You will see here Aviator Predictor. Press install. Okay, type in your passcode, next, and then finally install. And voila guys, now you have it on your home screen. What you need to do now is restart your phone. After you do that, open up the Aviator Predictor app, and then you will see a list of apps or offers that you need to complete. So basically choose a couple of them and make sure you follow the instructions correctly for each offer or app. Okay guys, and this shouldn't take longer than a couple of minutes. So yeah, after you've done this, you've now unlocked Aviator Predictor, and I hope you guys enjoy this, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be back very soon with another banger of a video, so stay tuned. Cheers.